Hi, I'm Emery Edwards, and this painting is called The Starry Night by Van Gogh. Um, Van Gogh was obviously a very popular painter, a European painter and he lived from 1853 to 1890. Even though he did die at a young age of 37, um, during that time he has created over 2,000 pieces of artwork, which is quite a lot. Um, he actually made this painting when he checked himself into a mental hospital in 1889. He stayed for 1 year there, and he made about 150 paintings while he was checked in. Um, he This is an oil on canvas painting, um, and as you can see, there is a crescent moon in the upper right hand corner. And then the other yellows and oranges and greens all make up the stars in the night sky. And then in the lower right hand corner, you can see a cypress tree, which usually represents morning. Um, and then there is a town below. There's a steeple in the middle of the town that kind of is used to represent unity within the town, because it's a taller building compared to the other small houses. And a steeple, like a church, is usually like one meeting place for people in the town. So it kind of brings everyone together. And then you can see a few houses with the windows lit up in the town. It seems like a sleepy, peaceful little town. And then you see the stars above. The sky seems almost turbulent and eerie. Um, and I feel that it kind of creates a contrast between the two, like the turbulent sky and then this like small sleepy town. Um, there is a lot of people believe that the darkness of the painting kind of was a direct correlation to how Van Gogh was actually feeling inside, like his mental um, darkness. Whenever he checked himself into the mental hospital, he was trying to overcome this darkness that he felt inside of him. And so he painted that into the painting. Um, this style of painting is from the post-impressionism era. That the impressionism era, they painted more of real landscapes, kind of mundane subject matters. And then in the post-impressionism era, they tried to paint more of their feelings and evoke an emotion of what they were feeling through their paintings. And I feel that Van Gogh really did that in this painting. You almost feel this darkness, and it's almost eerie, and you can almost feel how the town's feeling, how the sky's feeling. I think that's really, really cool. And this painting kind of shows a hope, because in the town you can see that it's very dark outside, but there's still the lit windows in the buildings. It shows like there's hope, there's a light in the darkness. Um, but yeah, I mean, this is just one of many of Van Gogh's work. I think it's a really, really cool painting. It's very nice. Um, and it invokes a lot of emotion. I just think it's really interesting. But yep, that's Van Gogh's Starry Night. Thank you.